Finally, we're gonna talk about project deployment under Lean Six Sigma. What is the difference for project deployment, regular one with quality assurance and user acceptance, and Lean Six Sigma? Well, let me remind you that Lean Six Sigma specialist supposed to look after two things: total defects elimination, avoiding war room issues during project deployment into live production, and waste management for some particular project, processes, and services. Let's take a look into some detail. Lean Six Sigma LSS project deployment is a strategic, data-driven approach to improving business performance by reducing defects and waste, typically using demake and demod methodologies or approaches. Successful deployment requires a leadership commitment, aligning projects with business goals, training, and structural hierarchy like champions, master, black belts, etc., to ensure return on investment done by organization and sustainable cultural change. Common pitfalls for project deployment with Lean Six Sigma. First, lack of management support, especially with senior management. Poorly defined project scope, which is common with actual project management. Failure to assign dedicated resources, leading to long wait times. Happens everywhere. Neglecting to align with overall business strategy also happens with regular project management in every type of organization and each industry. Key elements of successful project deployment under Lean Six Sigma. Strategic alignment means projects must linked directly to critical business goals. Infrastructure and roles, establishing a structure with leaders are champions, to remove roadblocks and technical experts who are black belts, etc., or green belts to guide projects. Training and selection, training employees, green, black belts, and selecting impactful initial projects. Data-driven focus, using data to identify root causes and improve rather than just relying on your own intuition. Sustainability, moving from fighting fires to creating long-term, sustained improvements. And phases of project deployment under Lean Six Sigma utilization. There are three of them: planning, execution, review. Planning. Define the vision, secure leadership support, and allocate necessary resources. Execution. Train your team members. Select correct projects. And launch using the demake demod frameworks. Review means monitor project progress, validate financial results, which is return on investment. I'd like to remind you that no project should be started without a feasibility study and benefits value analysis. And finally, ensure control mechanisms are in place. That's it.